My name is Cray Reap, and I am the Tech Support Manager here at Bethel World Outreach Church in Brentwood. And I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the installation that PixelFLEX did for us here a few months ago. It was a pretty massive project. We had a similar sized LED wall installed previously, but what we had this project was that it was split up into the two side walls that we now see. We had a new center wall installed, and then the side walls were split up into 8 movable totems that we have on stage. So between all of those different configurations, we're now able to display graphics in different locations. It's very, very customizable. Specifically, the totems on stage allow for a really dynamic approach to what we're able to video, all the graphics that we can display on stage, and overall just makes a very unique experience for worship.